Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to use the Thrustmaster T10 or 18 Ferrari racing well on your PC in 2025. So here you can see this the thing so I am talking about. So here you can see right now available T128. So we are going to talk about that. So first plug your thermistor into your USB port on your PC. The T128 is officially designed for PlayStation, so Windows may not recognize it as a full force feedback well, but you can still use it as a standard input device on racing games. Next, check the Windows detects the well. Open control panel and device and printers. You should use Thrustmaster T80 Racing well list. Right click in the choose game controller setting and then click properties. Here, turn the wheel, press the pedals and push the buttons to see if Windows register your input. Then calibrate if needed. If your wheel is not centered properly, you can calibrate it. Like click properties and then look for calibrated button. Follow the one skin steps to set the center point, rotation strength and pedals. This helps avoid weird steering in games. So now you just launch your favorite racing game like Forza, F1 or Aztec or Corsa. Go to controls and setting menu and select controller or well. If the game does not detect it, automatically manually map the steering, throttle, brake and buttons to match your preference. Now you just need to test the drive and there you go. That's how to use Thrustmaster T80 Ferrari in your PC step by step in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and let me know which racing game you are playing in the comments. Thanks for watching.